Hi, in this video, we'll be introduced to non-African prose, that is prose written by non-Africans. And first on the list is The Last Good Man by Patience Swift. By the end of this video, we'll be able to give a plot account of The Last Good Man and also the setting, that is a geographical location where the most events and actions took place in The Last Good Man. We'll also talk about the themes and the characters used by Patience Swift to drive home the message of The Last Good Man. And also, we'll also talk about the language and style used by Patience Swift. And at the tail end of it, we will discuss and treat past questions for SSC and UTME as students preparing for examinations.